Hey everybody, Matt here with Big Red Liquors, and today I've got the new Matthew McConaughey Longbranch Wild Turkey project that has just hit my desk. Just got the sample from the distributor. It looks like they've already gotten into it a little bit, and I have to say I'm really impressed with this whiskey. Wild Turkey. You know they've got amazingly deep stocks of delicious bourbon, but sometimes their new releases, I don't know whether it's a flavor profile thing or just something with me, but I tend to think they get a little too oaky, and that may have something to do with the proof, even though I really like 101, and that's kind of the standard for me as far as proofs of bourbon go. But what they've done here is they've dialed it back. This is 86 proof, 8-year-old whiskey. So in a lot of ways, this reminds me of Basil Hayden. So if you're a big Basil Hayden fan and you like a really kind of fruit forward with just a little hint of oak on the finish, then I think you're really going to like this. If you're a Scotch drinker, I think you're really going to like this because it's got such soft baking spice. It's really like tropical fruit, orchard fruit right on the front. Really elegant nose. You get the spice, you get the fruit. Let's taste it. Okay, so very mouth coating. Still fruit on the mid palate, then it transitions into oak, but it's not a sharp oak, it's not over oaked whatsoever. Man, like a kind of a medium finish, heavy to medium body mouthfeel. Flavors are just right on. Proof is perfect for this. The nice combination of a little bit of a lower proof and longer age, I think, makes a big difference. It creates a more elegant style, and that's what you have here. Some of the only detail provided in terms of what makes this production different is that it says it's been refined through oak charcoal and mesquite charcoal. Some kind of nod to the state of Texas where he's from. But I don't know if that toned up the fruit because this tastes like a less oaky version of what I've had from Wild Turkey. So whatever it did, I think it's created a little bit more elegance, but this nice fruit and spice forward style Wild Turkey is really, I'm just impressed. You know, for as far as one of the big brand releases for 2018, this will rank right up there, and it's priced correctly, you know, for around $35, $36. This is a fantastic whiskey, beautiful bottle, the whole thing. So I think it's a home run and a great collaboration between an actor, a company, and a bunch of other folks. So cheers to you guys. Great job.